Today I'm visiting the Hagley Museum in Wilmington, Delaware. So when you visit Hagley, it's not your typical museum. It contains over 235 acres of land on the banks of the Brandywine Creek. I'm visiting during autumn season, so we're going to see lots of changing colors and beautiful fall leaves. So if you're not familiar with the Hagley Museum, it's a former gunpowder manufacturing site that was founded by the DuPont family in 1802. So the site here, it has lots of beautiful nature, different areas you can walk around and explore. There's mills. It showcases a lot of early industrial technology. And then, of course, it focuses on the explosive and the gunpowder manufacturing. And then there's some museum sections with patent collections. There's also the family's estate that you can tour. It's decorated very nicely for Christmas time. It's a beautiful day in November, so I'm going to be concentrating my visit today on just exploring the outside of Hagley. I'm going to take you on the Powder Yard Trail, and we're just going to take in the autumn scenery today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Hagley Museum here in Wilmington, Delaware. Like I said, this is a beautiful place to visit during autumn season and walk around. There's a ton of history here, a ton of things you can learn here by touring the museum and reading all the different plaques about how they manufactured gunpowder. It's one of those really cool places that combines nature and history. Thanks for watching.